Okay, another beautiful day in November here on the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Got another review for you, product review. This afternoon we're doing the Chemical Guys Snow Foam Auto Wash. And also I'll be using my Grant's foaming machine again. Not actually a machine, but it acts like one, works like one. So we're going to do this in just a minute, put it all together for you, show you how it works. But basically, directions on the Chemical Guys Snow Foam Auto Wash tells you to put 1 to 2 ounces inside your foamer, fill your foamer up, and then start on your vehicle. But what I'm going to do first is actually rinse off the car. You want to put water on it first to get some of the loose debris off of the car, and then we start the foaming action, which we'll show you here in just a minute. Okay, again, directions, 1 to 2 ounces. I'm not going to measure it, I'm just going to time it. 1, 2. Doesn't seem like a lot, but it's highly concentrated, and this is going to run you 25, 30 bucks for that amount. But heck, it'll do probably 100 washes. So I've got my foaming wash inside the Grants. Now you just fill her up. And just a real tip, normally I would put the water in first and then add the foamer. That way I don't have to be so slow, but it works both ways. So you're noticing I'm using the nozzle. I'm going to show you just in a second. A very good thing about the Grant's foamer is you use the same nozzle to do the rinse off as you do the foaming. It just clicks together. Okay. So I've got that there. So now just put your cap on. Okay. So I've got that ready. But again, the Grant's nozzle, I'm going to use it to rinse the car off, which I'll do now. Okay, again, use the same nozzle that you get with the Grant's foamer and just attach it. It's a quick disconnect, and then you're ready to foam. Okay.